Happy birthday!
What are you doing? You idiot.
Oh my God.
Here you go. Pirate's wheel. I should get one. There they go. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to my Cobra, which I have parked up in a hotel in Derby. So we stayed the night here ready for today, which is going to be a very exciting day. Now I don't know if you remember the Buxton meet last year. Well, the same people have put on another event, this time just down the road from Donington Circuit, which is just over there. And I've been invited as a special guest to celebrate 500,000 subscribers, which I hit a few weeks ago. So I'm in the Cobra. Obviously I was parking overnight, so I've got my new steering lock, which is a smart lock as well. So it's got fingerprint scanning, Bluetooth enabled as well. And there's information in the video's description to find out more about my lock. But at risk of waking up the residents, I'm sorry guys. Sorry everyone. Wakey wakey. So we're heading to Elveston Castle for today's meet. It's a 20-minute drive, so I'll catch up with you once I'm there. So we've just arrived. There's a few people at the entrance to this road capturing all the arrivals. They know what to do. So we are rolling in through some woodlands to a new location. Someone's being noisy. 350Z, bumper delete. So we have parked up at Elveston Castle in the nice lineup of cars. We've got a 600 LT next to us and cars are rolling in. They're going to be gradually coming in throughout the day from now to about midday just to spread out the traffic. So we've got this really vibrant green GTR rolling through and there are a lot of cars to look around, a lot of variety. So immediately behind me we have the Tasmanian devil Voxel Insignia. He's got this mascot on the roof shouting to the crowd, spoiler on the back, some brave orange stripes. Even under the bonnet the red theme and Taz theme is continued. He's eating the number plate and there's a dabbing unicorn sticker in the corner. Oh, there's a little toy there. Lots of Easter eggs to find. Taz. As you can see, it is getting busy and there is a lot of variety on display, including this very loud Rolls Royce. The exhaust is down there well no, the exhaust is there, but the sound is coming from underneath. He's got a little bypass valve, I think. Oh look, another Adam C has arrived! A blue Cobra with white stripes. Well, this is awkward. One of us has got to change. Two Cobras, both blue with white stripes. His fans actually fan. They are spinning. Mine don't spin. Different shades of blue though. Well, there we go, combo shot of the day. We also have a Mustang behind it and a few cars behind that. We've got Adam and a Toyota Chaser, the first one of the day. Everyone loves a white Chaser. We have a black one first. There may be more later. There's a lot of cars coming in, including a 348. So heading back over to the Helter Skelter area, we've got a chance for a game of What's Inside Your Car. On today's episode we have Everyone loves a white Chaser, Adam C, as the Cobra rolls past. Classic combo, we've got the Cobra and the GT350 Mustang. One of Shelby's iterations. There's a full circus-style arcade funfair area over here. We've got the Minions Bouncy Castle and Bouncy Slide and Hooker Duck. Oh, the coconuts are shy. We've got a birthday boy. Happy birthday. Oh,
Happy birthday!
happy birthday. So, it has been quite a while since we arrived here. We've been just mingling around and I'd say that everyone, if not most people, have arrived and it's absolutely huge. We can't look at every single car that is here, which is unfortunate because there's so much variety, modified classics and supercars to look at. Batman's got lost, he's picked up some friends. I don't know why, but I'm lost within a cartoon. There's a white Chaser, because everyone loves a white Chaser. There's a revving, is it the Camaro? I think it's the Camaro. We've also got the F250 Ford. 5.7 litre V8. Oh, he's being schooled. Slap on the face. There's 5 people in the Mark 1 Escort. I didn't know they had 3 seats in the back. Maybe they don't. They've got Gran Turismo vibes with the Suzuki wagon. This Volvo with the added turbo was very loud on the way in. I thought it was maybe a blowing manifold, but no, there's the culprit. It's, is it loose? No, that's just how low it hangs. I'm also loving the Forza graphics on the rear as well.
There's a foot.
Oh, there is a foot. Someone's foot's fallen off. How very unfortunate. How has he resisted the urge to chuck his MX-5 sideways? He's bowling along the grass, kicking up dust. There's a 205 GTI, a Porsche 924. These minis are both looking angry like they didn't approve of something. Subarus are revving. We have a yellow BMW 8 Series over here, and opposite this section we've got a green Volkswagen Beetle. It's almost like Verde Ithaca Lamborghini colour with some black details on it next to the blue and gold Subaru. Whilst I'd describe this as quite a large meet, I think a lot of people around here would generally disagree. We have some incredibly brave wheels on the Focus ST, little Joker in the Fiesta, and a satin gold Mini. The Beetle can't work out which summer activity he prefers, BMXing versus surfing. There's also a Deadpool themed Mini. We have the Voxel stand, a bonnet scoop in the Insignia. There's quite a lot of modified Insignias about, with the sassy Corsa. He's idling away. There's a red engine bay just underneath there. You can't quite see it. We've got pink with orange on the Astra, and this Insignia estate looking absolutely wild in chromed turquoise. There are many club stands around here. Obviously there are the Voxels, we've got the Car Society at the back, and someone has dropped me to the floor. There's even a Lexus with a moustache. The Corsa has a duck on the dashboard. Look at him, he's so fluffy.
And a gecko!
And a carrot! And a dinosaur. We've also got at the back a satin green 350Z. That's a colour I haven't seen wrapped on one of these before. And a Beetle. And a Lamborghini Huracan with a spoiler next to a very wild Time Attack wide-bodied Mazda RX-8 with a splitter that's about a foot long, carbon splitter. He had a bit of difficulties driving through the grass. We've got the gills on the wings and in the middle of the bonnet. So he's removed all of the interior other than what is necessary. And there's a very intricate spoiler on the back of the RX-8 next to what looks to be a matte black Volvo Burst. It's more like a kind of tarmac asphalt kind of effect. It's a three-dimensional colour. What are you doing on the floor? He attempted to spell good try, which is quite ironic. Oh, check out the green seatbelts. Next to an MG TF section. It seems this MG has been driven here by Biggles himself. Over here we have a Toyota Camry with the TRD badge with some purple details, bit of a rose gold trim around there. Who is next to a bit of a celebrity, Scooby-Doo. Oh, there's two of them. Tooby-Doo? Tooby-Doo. Three of them. Four of them. Four of them. Forby-Doo? Does anyone want a cloth? Oh, the Subaru's dressed up in the wrong type of camo for the day, seemingly annoyed by that. There's a liveried Clio and a Renault 5 Turbo. This is a very clean example. It's actually red on red, if you see the red interior with the red paint job and the in-car phone system. And next to the Renault 5 is this MG, which has quite a difficult way of steering it. Batman's own steering wheel. And this lady here, I'm going to call her Patricia. We have very brave wheels on the Fiesta next to the colour flip Subaru. And someone's stolen George the Highland cow. Over here, this MX-5 arrived as a Mazda, but today it's a Volkswagen, Ford, BMW and MG MX-5. Right, what else should we make it? It's also a Cobra. So let's see what else we can find. Everyone loves a white chaser. Adamc C-Zone. There's an Adamc C-Zone. Purple. Yeah. Got GT6 Ollie. Was that you? We got some flames down the side. Don't write on this bit, rather ironically written on this bit. What are you doing? Oh, you're making some art. Who's that?
A character.
A character. Adamc C is her. Sex for. Oh, everyone loves the white chaser once again. Ollie, age 3, has some very good handwriting. Well done, Ollie. You're quite tall as well for your age. Watch this, Hammond, you idiot. Oh, it's also an Audi today. And a Ferrari, or Ferret. A ferret. Ferret. I'm going to go in the middle. Be very afraid. It's a draw.
We failed.
We're not having a normal day today. It's ooh.
This is definitely not a normal day today. Oh my god.
Oh, you can just about read AirTech behind the holes. This is how they died. They get chased by humans. I don't think that's how it happened, actually. No. There's a bit of an MX-5 section with the rising sun and the fluffy nitrous oxide. We've got a side rear exit exhaust on this Mark 1 with the brave purple wheels. And an anime-themed Mark 4. That is a full wrap with a bit of manga or something. She will give you a happy ending, which I can only presume is more than just a hug. Oh, the Mark 1's also got a bit of hentai. I mean manga, I mean anime. And with the 206 Club behind me, we return to the main section with some of the show and shine cars. There's even an American lineup here. That is absolutely beautiful. We got the Plymouth, the Buick Riviera as well. Cars are even still rolling in. I mean, it's 2 o'clock. We've got the i30N, and here is the organisers' Chrome's Turquoise 5 Series that you may remember from last year's meet. Oh wow, check out this Audi that's coming in. Another late arrival, wide body, matte purple with turquoise wheels. There's a scratch down behind the headlights, a bit of a deflector of the wind on the bonnet. So I've just been given this trophy, which is not for me. So I've got to award this trophy for the best club stand of the day. So I'm going to head back around there and decide. I mean, who do you think deserves it? I am determining the fate of the best club stand. Who's it going to be? Well, I've just noticed there is an R34 GTR over there next to the Subaru that was revving earlier. I mean, there's Civics, there's Minis, there's... I don't know. So I think due to the cars that are on display and the fact that all of them are showing off everything that they've got, I'm going to award it to the Voxel Enthusiast Club. That is my best stand of the show today. Something a bit different. This Insignia really stands out. So here you go, chaps. So I've just awarded the trophy for the best club stand of the day. We've now got the best elite car of the day, and this is the elite car section. And this Ford Escort RS Turbo has won the trophy for all of the bling bling that's around this car. Check this out, a well-deserved winner of the best elite car of the day. So this is the rest of the elite section with the stormtroopers, even more characters, scratching dogs as well, and a really nice Ferrari 348 over here. What we've got is Martini branding next to the Tasmanian Devil, and we finally got to the bit that I've been waiting for, and probably some of you have been waiting for, and quite a lot of people here have been waiting for. I've been seeing quite a lot of people wearing my Everyone Loves a White Chaser t-shirt. You might have seen a few in the background, and oh, there's 3 of them. 2 white, 1 black. Here is the Chaser section. I don't know how I've gone through the whole day without seeing this. 2 white Toyota Chasers. We've got the black one in the middle with a large cannon. I don't know if this is the black one we saw earlier or not, because everyone loves a white Chaser. Oh, there we go. We got 1 for each car. There we go, 1 for each car. I want to get everyone wearing this t-shirt and hoodie,
We need to broadcast.
like a group photo in front of the Chasers. That'd be amazing.
We need to get it out there.
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Drop this like this. 3, 2, 1.
Oh look, it's my wet dream. There's a Cobra driving past the Chasers. So we have seen this white Chaser a few times before at events around this area, including the event last year. I don't know if I've seen this one before or not. I mean, they look same but a little bit different. And this black Chaser isn't actually black. It's the really dark green that I don't think can really be picked up on camera. I can barely see it myself. And this particular Chaser is currently being driven with a pirate's wheel. There it is, R34. Jeez! Oh. And a bit of a surprise, I've just received a gift from the chaps in the Mondeo. A Dodge Viper GTSR. Oh, I should get one, I really should. And as a lot of the cars are leaving, I can hear a few sends in the distance. There's a couple of cars over here that I saw come in. I didn't actually see where they'd park. So here they are, starting off with the purple S14. It's a very pearlescent colour on this. We've got the purple down to pink on the boot and the bonnet as well. Looks amazing. Next to a bit of a boosted barge. This is a JZX 90 generation boosted barge, and it parks up next to the S14. Check out the Polaroid I've been given of my car. So as cars are slowly filtering out, we're going to head over to the bar area, grab a snack or 2, and then, I don't know, head off. Oh. There's someone sat in the back of the MX-5, and it's been doing MX-5 things. Oh, yeah, she's having a blast. Oh, there they go. Oh dear. But as most of the cars have left, we are going to head home now. We've actually got this Hyundai Scoop Turbo SE, the last one in the country, bit of a dodo, turquoise on turquoise in front of the Cobra that we are getting back to, next to another kit car. This is a Cortina underneath. It is called the Spartan. So one kit car to another. The Dax Tajero Cobra replica to end the day on. So I hope you enjoy that video from the Instacar features at Elveston Castle. But follow me on Instagram for all the weekly updates and highlights about where I'm going to be and all the pictures that I take at these events. But for now, thanks for watching.